Hello students, let me explain lens formula. So lens formula is 1 by b minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Okay, here the v stands for distance of the image or the image distance. U stands for distance of the object or the object distance. F stands for focal length. So this formula we call it lens formula, which is this equation 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. And this equation is very important. Sometimes they give you v, image distance and object distance, and they ask you to find focal length. Sometimes they give you focal length and the object distance, they ask you to find the position of the image, that is image distance. Sometimes they give you distance of the image and the focal length, they ask you to find the position of the object or the image object distance u. Okay, so using this relation you can easily find any one. Okay, if any two is given, so this formula derivation is not required. Okay, both for convex and concave lens, this is the only formula, but derivation is not required, it's not there in the syllabus. So using this formula we'll do the sum. Okay, we'll solve the sum. And along with this you have to remember one more formula. Okay, that is image length by object length is equal to the image distance by the object distance. That is, ratio of the image length and the object length is equal to the ratio of image distance by object distance. Okay, image length and object length will be equal to the image distance by object distance. That is, I stands for image length, O stands for object length, and equals to b. Obviously you know image distance we call it v and object distance we call it u. So I by O equals to v by u. So these are the two formulas that you have to remember. Okay. So using this relation we'll see the numericals. Okay, so let me explain the first numerical. Example 1, an object of height 4 centimeter. So what is given? Object of height means object length is given. Okay, object length is given, so we call it O. Okay, we call it O. As I said, we have this relation I by O, B by U. O stands for object length or object height. So O is given 4 centimeter. Is placed at a distance 24 centimeter in front of a convex lens. So object is placed at 24 centimeter. So what is given? U is given, which is in front of convex lens, that is towards left. So U has to be negative. Okay, usually all the time object distance will be negative. Okay, image distance will be positive and negative depending upon the position where the image is formed. If the image is formed behind the lens, then it is positive. If the image is formed towards left of the lens, then image will be negative, image distance will be negative. So we don't know yet. So we know that object is placed 24 centimeter in front of a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. So f is also given. Find the position and size of the image they have asked. First find the position, that means we have to find b. So b equals to question mark. We have this relation 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. So v we don't know, u we know, which is 24 centimeter negative. So in place of u, so what do we do? We can first interchange b. Okay, 1 by v we keep in one left hand side and all the other terms we keep on other side. So 1 by v we have to find, no? So 1 by v equals to 1 by u plus 1 by f. Okay, just rearranging the equation. So u is negative, which is 24 centimeter, therefore we write negative 24. And focal length, obviously convex lens focal length, you have to, whenever I say focal length, you have to consider the second focus. Okay, second focus is towards left. So focal length of convex lens is always positive, it is towards right. I'm sorry, focal length, second focal length of convex lens is towards right. So convex lens, focal length of convex lens is positive, therefore 8 centimeter. So we have 8 centimeter. We calculate this, we get 1 by v equals to 1 by 12. From there we get v equals to 12 centimeter. So that is the position of the image. Okay, 12 centimeter. And you see, now if this v is positive or negative, we are getting this v is positive automatically. Okay, we'll get it. So positive means the image will be formed behind the lens. Okay, it will form behind the lens. Okay, now we have to know the size of the image, that means image length. Image length and image size is same thing. So we have to find I by O, B by U. I and O. O is 4 centimeter, which is positive because O is the object. So when will be the object length will be positive? Object length will always be positive because object length will be above the principal axis, therefore O is positive. Image will be positive or negative depending upon the image. So I write I by O. I we have to find O is positive, B is positive 12, U is minus 24. From there we get I equals to negative 2 centimeter we got. That means I is negative. That means I is formed. I is the image length. Image length is negative means I is formed below the principal axis. That is I will be inverted. Okay. So the image, thus the image is inverted of size 2 centimeter. Thus the image is inverted of size or length is same thing of length 2 centimeter. Okay. So we get I is 2 centimeter. See, and now the question is also asked, state the characteristics of the image. See, we got the object length is 4 centimeter, but the image length is 2 centimeter. That means image length is smaller, image size is smaller. Therefore, the characteristics of the image will be the image is real. It is real because it is the image we got inverted. If the image is inverted, obviously it will be real. And one more thing we can say, the image is found behind the lens. Obviously, if the image is found behind the lens, it has to be real. So image is real and inverted from here, negative sign inverted. And diminished, why diminished? Because size is 2 centimeter. Okay, image size is less than the object size. If the image size would have been more than the object size, then we would have said enlarged. Image is enlarged, but it is diminished because the image size is less. Okay, one more question we will do. A convex lens forms an image 16 centimeter long of an object 4 centimeter. Okay, we have image image length is 16 centimeter long of an object 4 centimeter long, kept at a distance 6 centimeter from the lens. Kept at a distance 6 centimeter from the lens. So object distance is 6 centimeter, they have said, and the object and the image are on the same side of the lens, they have said. Okay, so object is always towards left. If the image is also found towards left, then we can say the image is virtual. Okay, and the image is virtual. So first question is, what is the nature of the image? Since the image is convex lens forms an image 16 centimeter. See, image size is 16 centimeter, whereas the object size is 4 centimeter. Therefore, this is magnified image. Okay, enlarged image. Since the image is magnified and on the same side of the lens as the object, the image is virtual. Okay, image is what? Virtual. It is towards left, it is virtual, and is also magnified. Now question B, find the position of the image. Okay, position of the image we have to find. We have I equals to 60 centimeter, which is positive. Okay, I is on the left hand side, therefore it is virtual image. Virtual means it is above the principal axis, it is erect, therefore it is positive. O is 4 centimeter, is also positive. U is 6 centimeter. U will always be negative no matter what. U in every question will be negative, so we have to use this relation. So question is, find the position of the image they have asked. No, so position of image we have to find. There is one I by O equals to V by U. Using this relation that we call I by O, we call magnification also. I did not say it, but you can call it magnification. Anyway, we need this relation only. I by O equals to V by U. So I by O, V by U, put there, you find the V. V is negative 24 centimeter. That means B is formed towards the left only. Okay, in front of the lens only. Okay, B is 24 centimeter in front of the lens. B is the position of the image. Negative sign means B negative means it is formed in front of the lens, towards the left of the lens. Second question is asked, the focal length of the lens. Obviously we have this relation 1 by V minus 1 by U 1 by F. So we have to find the focal length of the lens. B we know, B B is minus 24 we got. U is always negative, so minus 1 by minus 6 you put, and you just solve this equation, you get F equals to 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter is the focal length of the lens, which is positive. So since it is a so we get the focal length of the lens as 8 centimeter, which is positive. Okay, so this is how you solve the question.